Hey guys, so today I'm vlogging. It is officially February and I am feeling all sorts of Valentine's Day vibes. And I went to Starbucks because I really wanted to get that like Valentine's Day drink combo that they had posted on their Instagram, but they were out of the Valentine's Day cake pop, so I ended up just getting a chocolate croissant instead. And instead of like the white chocolate mocha that they had topped with the strawberry cold foam, I got a grande hazelnut oat milk shaken espresso because I really like the coffee taste with strawberry cold foam on top. Let's give it a little stir and see how this is. Now the shaken espressos at Starbucks are like my favorite and I really love the hazelnut one, so I want to see what it's gonna be like with this strawberry cold foam. The strawberry cold foam's so good. It tastes like strawberry ice cream. Now I gotta get some coffee. It's so good, especially with the hazelnut. I thought it would be kind of weird, but it's so good. Highly recommend. So I had a very unsuccessful trip to Target. I went there because I wanted to get like cute Valentine's Day pajamas, and my Target had absolutely nothing. It had some like cute red clothing, but no like Valentine's Day clothing. So I ended up just getting this super cute mug that says Amor. And then I also got my son like this cute dot art set. I've been feeling like this little tickle in my throat, and everyone in my family has been sick, so I'm scared I'm about to get it. So I've been drinking Airborne, make sure that I don't get sick. But yesterday I went to the grocery store and I got a bunch of strawberries and super cute Valentine's Day cookies that are pre-made because I'm definitely really lazy when it comes to baking. But we're gonna do that because it's February and it's the month of love. I totally lost track of time and forgot that I have to go to a kid's birthday party today with my son. So I have to quickly get him and I ready. But I have so much new makeup that I want to try out. And a lot of it is drugstore makeup. But I got the new Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. And then I also got the multi-use stick foundation. I definitely want to try these out today, and I also got the poreless jelly primer that I've been seeing all over TikTok. So since I'm low on time, I'm just gonna quickly throw some makeup on, and I'll definitely give input on how that foundation is because foundations nowadays are so expensive, even drugstore foundations. So if it's great, I'll definitely be letting you guys know how the Maybelline foundation works, because usually Maybelline foundations work pretty well for me, and foundations nowadays are just, the price is getting out of hand. I mean, even this drugstore foundation was $15, which is still pricey, but it's a lot more affordable than high-end foundations. So we just got back from the birthday party. My makeup is actually looking pretty good. It's only been about 3 hours, but I don't look oily or any of that. Like, I feel like I'm really going to enjoy this foundation. And when I was applying the foundation, it definitely seemed like it was a buildable foundation. I don't like too much coverage though, because I feel like it makes me look old. So I only put about 1 pump of foundation, but it looks good. I feel like I'm really going to like this foundation. All right, so it's dinner time, and naturally I have some wine. So I'm making dinner for 1 because it's just me and my son at home today, and he already had pizza at the birthday party. So I'm gonna make that boursin cheese pasta that I've seen all over the internet. It looks so yummy. I love adding other things to my pasta, so I'm definitely going to be sauteing some mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. Just gives it so much more flavor. Not forget the garlic. This is the boursin cheese I got. It's the garlic and fine herbs. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use since I'm only cooking for myself. Look how yummy that looks. I'm gonna add some pasta water. I'm gonna start off with that much and gradually add more if I need it. This is so much food. Like, I'm definitely gonna have leftovers. This looks so amazing and smells amazing. I cannot wait to eat this. All right, let's see how it is. Super good. It's very light. I wish I added lemon, but other than that, really good. Look at what we woke up to. So beautiful. Good morning, guys. Today we woke up to snow and it is so beautiful outside. But I told my son today that we're going to do our chocolate covered strawberries and cookies. So we're finally getting into the fun dessert making. Strawberries. We got some sprinkles, white chocolate, and then I got these chocolate chips, which I know aren't the best to melt, but we're gonna try it out anyway and see how it goes. And then we also got these pre-made Valentine's Day chocolate chip cookies, because it's just easy, you know? I picked up a few of these Olipop strawberry vanilla sodas. This is okay. It's not as good as the cream soda one. Now I wish I got more of the cream soda. Not bad, but the cream soda one's definitely better. Look at how convenient this one is. I wish they only had white chocolate for this one, and I would have got a regular chocolate one, but they didn't have it, so that's why I got the chocolate chips. But you just microwave this.
Wow, is it?
We're really excited to do this. Our dessert baking was a success. Like, look how yummy all this looks. Let's eat them together, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna try our strawberries. Cheers.
Mmm.
Yep, they turned out super good. I just had to share my current view, and it's just giving super cozy vibes. It's still snowing here. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.